my babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie B, and this is another hair video. Now this not the wig we gonna be talking about. She cute, but not her. So in this package I have a wig from the company Elemo hair, and not Elmo like you know who. Yeah, girl, that Elmo. So inside the box, I'm gonna open this up for my first time, and ooh, we got some goodies. So I'm going to start off with this little leopard pouch. Let's open this up. And first off, I see some lashes. Period. LMO. And then a beauty little thing for makeup and wig caps, girl, too. And then you got these beautiful headbands, girl. They gave me not one, not two, not three, but five, girl. 5 headbands to put on this wig. Yes, I'm living. I love that one. And here's, of course, the wig. It's a headband wig, and it's 20 inches long. So the footage of me installing this wig was somehow deleted. So here we are again. So here's the wig, guys, the straight wig, in all her glory. And I'm just going to plop her on my head. This literally took me 3 minutes, y'all, like not even long. It sped up and it still didn't take me long. On the sides, I'm putting them combs down. Once I get the combs in, I'm gonna put them Velcro straps together. And the wig is going to be secured. I'm going to push her back just a little bit off my edges. And boom. Now I'm just going to flat iron those kinks out of the wig to get her bone straight. And then she'll be set and secure and done, honey. Literally the quickest hairstyle I've ever had. Well, here I'm just showing where the wig stops at on me for 20 inches. Period. She is gorgeous. I absolutely love this wig. It's giving, okay? It's giving. And here are the headbands, and I'm going to show you each and every one. This one's definitely one of my faves. I absolutely love this yellow on my skin, hunty. This is my Carol Baskin headband. If you know, you know. Ooh, child, I don't know what I did and how I did it, but girl, I broke this. I'm sorry, Elemo. Forgive me, please. Okay, guys, I've gone ahead and I've did a box opening. I showed you all the contents, the beautiful headbands. Again, Elemo hair, I am sorry for this. We just gonna act like it never happened, okay? All right, headbands are really beautiful. The wig is beautiful. Again, this is their 20-inch headband wig. Nice silky hair. Can run my fingers straight through it. I've barely got any tangling, shedding, any of that. And for it to be straight hair, I don't really expect it to do all of that. Okay, it's a gorgeous unit. I could literally put this wig on in like 2 to 5 minutes, depending on if my edges are already laid from the night prior or whatever the case is. But you can literally put this wig on and go. I had to go to work one of these days and I threw the wig on. It was like 5 minutes before I had to log in because I work from home. And I literally came in the bathroom, washed my face, brushed my teeth, threw the wig on, and I was there by 9 o'clock. Wasn't even playing. Elemo hair, I want to thank you all so much for reaching out to me and sponsoring this video. I did think it was Elmo hair at first, like the character from Sesame Street, but we're not going to talk about that. It's Elemo hair, as you can see here. It's a beautiful wig. I will have all the information down below in my description box. If you guys are interested in seeing how I style this wig, that video is also coming pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.